Hello guys! You might be wondering where I'm standing at this small spacious place, right? It's none other than the GOEC EV Supercharging station, which is located between the Munnar to Aluva road at Mudickal. At present, we have two chargers available in this station. The one I'm standing next to is a 60 kilowatt DC fast charger. The most interesting fact about this charger is that it has a dual gun system and you can always upgrade to 120 kilowatts in the future. Secondly, we have the AC 3.3 kilowatts charger. This one is a slow charger. Both two-wheelers as well as four-wheelers can be charged over here. Just take a second and have a look around here. Can you see how beautifully they've arranged this small spacious place? We have a waiting area and also feeding room and washing room. So what say? Are you interested to set up an EV charging station? No matter how big or small your space is, or even if it's a space where you can park just one car, GOEC is the best choice for you.